You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. In this lab, we'll be installing the prerequisites necessary for Exchange Server. So first things first, I'm logged in as the administrator, the domain administrator or the enterprise administrator, but I'll just double check myself. So I'll go to my PowerShell. And first command that I type in is who am I? So you can see that I am the enterprise administrator, so I'm good. Okay. The next thing is I'm going to run the install Windows feature command that I've copied and pasted from a trusted source from where it is completely formatted, everything is correct. There are no errors here. And I start running this command. Now, while this command is running, on the virtual machine, I will mount the Microsoft 365 Hybrid Deployments ISO here. Now remember that I could do it the way wherein the book determines it or the book recommends it by doing one thing at a time, but I'm just doing it multiple things at a time just so that you can understand that you can do it if you give it enough juice, but it also comes with certain challenges. The challenges are important. I'm here to tell you about the challenges, not how to do it properly. Doing it properly, you can just follow the instructions. It's very easy. I'm here to talk about the challenges. So first things, I'll just start with the JRE version 8, update 341. Because it takes the longest for it to load up, I'll start it first. Once that is done, I'll start the Visual C++ 2013. I agree to the terms, install. Okay, done. Then the Microsoft Unified Communications Managed API. Install next. I read and accept the license terms, install. Now remember, this is a completely offline machine. It's not even connected to the domain. Now, the only thing that we'll have to do after this is wait for the Java installer to show up, number one. You can see it's not even running in the background. So I'll have to wait for Java installer to show up, number one, and I'll have to wait for this command to complete. Once this command completes, only then I can run the IIS URL Rewrite Module. So I'll wait for this and then we'll look at the next steps. Okay, so you can see this here, my Java installer is up and running. I click on install. I don't change any settings. It's not worth it. It's not necessary as well. And while this is installing, I'll also be keeping an eye out on my PowerShell commands. So I want my PowerShell commands to finish. I want my Java to finish before I finish the installation for IIS URL Rewrite, and only then I will install I will restart the machine, and that is where our lab will end actually. We just want to verify if all the prerequisites are properly installed. That's it. Okay, we'll wait for this. We'll wait for this. I think the commands are done mostly. All right. Java will complete. You can see that Java, we started at the very beginning and it took like 4 or 5 minutes for it to show up. And that is the really weird part. Okay, done. I'm just waiting for the commands to complete. So I'll just give it a minute, and once it is done, then we'll run the last installation, that is the IIS URL Rewrite Module, and then restart the computer. So at this point, you can see my installation here is complete. Perfect. Now I'll go back to my File Explorer here and run the IIS URL Rewrite Module. Install. And once it is finished, I have successfully installed all the necessary prerequisites. So all I'm going to do now is restart -computer and enter. And that is the end of this lab here. So in this lab, we just installed the necessary prerequisites. I'm going to restart anyway. I have the copy somewhere else, so it's okay. I have a local copy and a copy on another location, so it's okay for me. So that is the end of this lab here. I'll see you in the next lab. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.